In December of 2013, Dustin Brancho purchased Advantage Sports Training with one thing in mind: to create athletes who dominate the biggest stages of athletics.
Sports has always been a major part of my life ever since I was a young kid. My parents always told me if I was going to be inside, I was going to be doing chores. If I didn't want to do chores, I better be outside playing sports. So me and my siblings, we took that as, all right, let's go shoot some hoops, let's go toss a baseball around, let's go play tackle football, whatever the case may be. This led me to be very successful at the high school level in all sports, from track and field to baseball, basketball, and especially football, where I earned a scholarship at the University of Northern Michigan to play football at wide receiver. After my college football days were over, I decided I wanted to take it to the next level. This is where I went to my pro day at Grand Valley State University in March of 2011. After my pro day, I received some interest from some professional football teams from the CFL and a little bit from the NFL, but my timing numbers were not where they needed to be. This drove me to find out how to get people faster, stronger, and more explosive. I had been training so hard, but I was not training the right way. This led me to Louis Simmons of Westside Barbell, the world's strongest gym. He uses his training methods to get powerlifters to the most elite level. I use his training methods to get my athletes to the most elite level. Our gym is now only one of 10 Westside certified gyms in the nation. The results we have seen in the last 2 years have been nothing short of incredible. In the last 2 years, we have had back-to-back state champs, collegiate All-Americans, national champs, Olympic hopefuls, and 5 current professional athletes. The crazy thing is, we're only getting started. What separates us from other gyms in the area is we don't use any gimmicky machines, cookie-cutter programs. What we like to do is we pride ourselves on getting people stronger, faster, and more explosive with individual programming based off individual needs. At our facility, one size does not fit all.
There's not another sports training gym in the region that's delivering the results that Advantage trained athletes regularly achieve. Not only do we want to be a place that sends area athletes out to compete at the highest levels, we want to be a place world-class athletes come to for training. We want to be the best.
Increased speed, freakish strength gains, and explosive power are what you should expect if you come to our facility.
You can expect us to be constantly learning and discovering new ways to get you better. You can expect us to be honest and loyal to our gym family. Success is seeing our athletes achieve their goals in competition and in life.